Philippine Association of Realtors Boards, Inc. gives this testimonial of sincere appreciation to Margarita B. Timor, Realtor, in grateful recognition and appreciation of the warm hospitality and courtesies extended to the Philippine Association of Realtors Boards, Inc. for her gracious presence and sharing of her precious time as resource speaker during its first MLS Congress 2009, held on March 25, 2009 at Maxis Restaurant, Scout Wasson Corner, Castor, laging handa, Quezon City. Given this 25th day of March 2009 in Quezon City, signed and Bruto C. Aceron, Realtor, National President, signed Antonio C. Lanusa, Realtor, National Director and MLS Committee Chairman, and attested by yours truly, Dr. G. Benesharte, Realtor, Secretary General.
Dapat pedalay ka ini i-roxan. Siguro another batch na rin. Check mo